In this video, we are going to be learning about marketing research, meaning we're going to be learning about how to find the product that is in the heart of consumers and how to understand your competitor, right? But before we dive into that, let's choose the products that we have to sell. As a complete beginner, the question we keep hearing is what product can I sell and all of that. Why that is true, because the kind of product you sell is really important. But how you sell your product is even more important than the kind of product you sell, because you can sell any product and be successful if you understand the product and if you understand the product and if you have strategies for your marketing, right? And that is what I'm going to be teaching in my video channel. So about strategy and strategy and strategy. However, how to choose a product. There is not really a scientific way of choosing product. It's everyone sell products that they know. You can't sell product that you do not know. Everyone sell product that they have had connection with. They sell product that they know, and because at the end of your business, business is all about researching, and you can't keep on researching product that you do not like. So let's, for instance, now this Amazon. You can go to Amazon and check this category. There is app and games. If you're someone who like games, then you can start doing selling things about games, right? Baby products, beauty, books, business, industry, and science, camera, and photos, CD, and etc. etc. You can, if you are someone who love fashion, you can click. Let's click on fashion, for instance, and you see there are a lot of products you can sell here. Then now, fashion is not limited to just this product. You can you can say bath and body. There are a lot of things you can. There are a lot of category here. There are a lot of category you can choose, and you start selling. It's really not complicated. Just choose anything you know best. Anything you know how to do. It's very simple, right? You don't have to think about it too much. Anything you know how to sell, just sell it. While your business start growing, you can start adding a lot of things to it. Then if you are like in Nigeria, business now is all about e-commerce have become all about geographic location. Because of that, for those who are in Africa, let me show you an Africa website. It's called Jumia, jumia.com.ng. You can click on it, you click on this icon. There are other product category you can choose right here: health and beauty, home and office, etc. etc. Right? You can choose any category: electronics. You click on electronics, you see a lot of product here. For instance, there is nothing. Don't. It's really not complex, right? Just choose anything you know how to sell best. Anything you know that you love, that you can start researching over it without even getting paid. Then when you start selling it, you will even have fun selling it. That is the key. Then let's assume you have chosen a product category, right? Now let's dive into how to know the product that are in the heart of consumers, right? Are you ready? Now let's go. Then if you are using Windows, if you are using your phones, I don't think there is no incognito in phone, but if you are using computer, whether Mac or Windows, you click on this icon, you click on new incognito, you type Google. Incognito means that you are browsing on a private browser. That means everything we are going to be doing in incognito, it won't affect all the history. It won't affect everything you have been doing with your computer, right? Now, if customers or if other people are doing research, they are more likely to see um they are more likely to see the website just exactly the way you're going to see it here. Then I think that is really important because sometimes because of your history, because of your history, when you type what you have searched before will start coming, right? If you use the incognito, there's nothing like that. Then now let's go. Let's assume we have chosen our product and I choose to sell a digital um watch, right? Let me click here. It now just a moment. Before you start researching, you come to settings, you come to search settings, right? Then you go to region, go to other settings, you go to region, and now you can see United States here. This is showing United States because I already set it as in that I'm in United States. Then for other people, this is what you are going to do. If it For other people, this might show it will show the country that you are. Then if you want to sell in another country, for instance, you are in United States of America and you want to sell this product in Italy or in Germany, then you click here and you type Germany, right? If you are in Nigeria and you want to sell in, for instance, Togo, then you click Togo. The country in which you want to sell in is where you type, then you click the name of the country here, right? And now mine is in US, then let me just leave mine like that. Then now we click on, then now we have to search for the product that we have to sell, which is smart. Boom. See, these are the smartwatches that are in, you see this the product that pop up right here, they are the product that people are buying right now. Any product you see here, they are the trendy product, the product that people are buying right now. Let's assume I want to sell smartwatches. I do not have no idea on the kind of watch to sell. Now I already have an idea because Google is telling me that these are the products that people are buying right now. Then if you want to see more product, you click on this, you click on it, then you can see more product, right? But there is something I want to draw into our consciousness, right? Look at, now I wrote smartwatches and this pop up, but is it smart? Is it I don't know what kind of smart. I don't know who can use these watches. Is it a female? Is it for swimming? Is it for business people? Right? Then in order to find out, we write smartwatches for men, for instance. For men. Oh, boom. See, now it's showing us a different product. Now this means if you want to sell your product, you must be specific when doing the research, because let's now that we wrote for smartwatches for men is bringing a different kind of product and with different colors. Now I can understand that there are more product that are more there are more black product here. This is black, this is black, this is black, right? That means men love black watches. Then you can know, okay, men love this kind of watches, men like this style to be like this, men love this style to be like this. Then you can understand the kind of product. In case you want to source for a supplier, you should know the kind of product that you will ask your supplier to give to you, right? I think that is clear. Then now I don't want to let me type something else. Let me say for women now. For women, smartwatches for women. Boom. You see now other color came out, right? You see now smart watches for lady. You see now I can understand that ladies want their watches to be a little bit tiny, right? They want it to be a little bit tiny, and they love pink, and they love white, and they love gold. And for me it was black. You see, I already know that. Okay, now in case I want to sell watches now, I can know that okay, if men want it to be black, then ladies want it to be this kind of style, you want it to be like this. And I think this is really important. This is how you start learning your product, knowing what your customer wants, knowing your if you know what your customer wants, you can easily sell your product to the customer. Marketing is not about begging people to buy. Market is all about showcasing your product to the right audience and they will buy from you. You don't beg them, just showcase it. If you have the right product with the right customer, you will make a lot of money, right? Then now let's go. Okay, let's move. Then now I want to let's go a little bit deep into this product. Like we know now that female wants female wants white products and they want the style, the design to be some certain way. But we don't know the communication. What are they? What? Why did they like this kind of product? What are they communicating? Why? Okay, let's make an analogy. This person is the top This website is ranking top on Google. But why is this person ranking top on Google? What is he doing that other people are not doing that is making every customer come to him and buy from him and him alone? Let's find out. Then in order to find out, then we have to click on the link. But I want to make a research of about three websites. So let me put this in a new tab. Then you right click and it will you open in a new tab. Okay, then let me search for another product again. Okay, let me open this in a new tab, right? Then now let's go. Then let's start finding out why people are buying from this particular website and why are they ranking top on Google, right? If you know why they are ranking top of Google, you can also do the same. You can even add more creativity to what they have done, then you will beat them and you make a lot of money. So this is all about creating, knowing your competitor, knowing your customers, and doing offering a value that your customer can't offer, then all the customers will be to you. In marketing, there is what we call the law of attraction, right? Okay, now let's use this as an analogy, right? Okay. Now these are the smart watches that people are buying. Now let's find out what conversation are they having with this vendor. Then from the conversation they're having, from the comment, will build a strategy around that. For instance, let me make an analogy. If a customer comment, how to read this comment and translate it that will help us to build our strategy is for instance, when a customer make a comment like the battery, I love the smartwatch because the battery was very strong. We should know that the customers prefer they love it if the battery of a smartwatch is very strong. Then if you search for a product that the battery is stronger, then you chances are excellent that you will be able to make more sales, right? And when off, if for instance a customer like the design was so good, the color of the stuff was so nice, then you should be able to know that okay, then now since they love the design, you should be able to when a customer make a comment that the battery of the phone was so strong, it lasted for so hours, for instance. We should be able to know that okay, if we offer a smartwatch that the battery it will last longer than the one they have here, you will be able to sell more, right? And it's all about creating value and value and value. That is how translate this all the comments and use it for our own good. But above all, let me also show you how to use artificial intelligence to translate all these comments in 1 minute. All right. Okay. Now let's go. You come right here. Okay, now we are in incognito. Let's go back to our normal browser. Right. Here is our normal browser. Now go to your website. Open your website. Right here, open AI. Login. If you already have an AI account, you log in. If you don't have the account, you click on sign in. You sign in, for instance. You go to Chat GPT. And you will find a page like this. You okay, let's go. You find a page like this, right? Then with this great tool, this tool is very smart, right? With this great tool, we'll be able to translate all the comments in 1 minute. So in this video is getting too long. In the next video, this is market research part 1. Then market research part 2, I'm going to be showing you how to use artificial intelligence to do research in just 1 minute, so that you will be very sure, you will be accurate that this product that I want to sell, the customer wants it, and artificial intelligence is also going to tell you what to write to outsmart all your competitors. It's going to give us a strategy that will use to outsmart our competitors and stay unique in our business. All right. Try to watch the next video. Thank you.